Looking for a reliable and versatile amplifier? Enter the NX Audio RX series amplifiers, a range of high-performance devices that redefine the parameters of audio amplification. Firstly, reliability and durability are in the DNA of the RX series. With an impressive reliability rate of over 97%, these amplifiers are designed to operate in challenging conditions without a hitch. This makes them ideal for demanding environments where consistent performance is key. Secondly, the RX series isn't just about reliability, it's also about performance. These amplifiers are engineered to handle difficult loudspeaker loads and abnormal power conditions, demonstrating stability even at 2 ohms. So, if you find yourself in a scenario where your amplifier faces challenging impedance loads or fluctuating power conditions, the RX series won't let you down. The RX series also shines in its versatility. With a unique built-in crossover functionality, these amplifiers can serve as subwoofer amplifiers, mid-highs amplifiers, or full-range devices. This eliminates the need for external crossovers, simplifying your setup and ensuring safe operation, even if you have limited experience. Power output is another area where the RX series excels. For example, the RX-4000 delivers a whopping 1,550 watts per channel in a 2-ohm stereo application. And that's just one model in the series. When it comes to packaging and filters, the RX series is sold in pairs, facilitating stereo setups. They also provide high and low pass filters, allowing for precise customization of output, whether you're setting up a subwoofer or a full range system. The RX series doesn't compromise on connectivity options either. They're equipped with speak-on output jacks, 1/4-inch output jacks for each channel, and 4-way binding posts for versatile connectivity. Channel inputs include XLR and 1/4-inch TRS jacks, catering to a wide variety of audio sources. The amplifiers also come with a host of additional features, from high-pass, low-pass, and bypass crossover options for fine-tuning your audio output, to a specialized system protection circuit with safeguards against super short-circuit overload, DC, soft start, and thermal protection. Despite all these advanced features, the RX series is competitively priced. It offers high power output and performance without straining your budget. And to top it off, the amplifiers come with a 1-year warranty, providing you with assurance and support. In conclusion, the NX Audio RX series amplifiers combine reliability, versatility, and affordability. They make a compelling choice for audio professionals and enthusiasts seeking high-performance amplification in various applications. With the RX series, you're not just buying an amplifier, you're investing in a high-quality, reliable audio solution.